better not. She figured she had that big yarn. That's okay, me, I'm okay like this.
Hi.
Put me. Oh, I'm sleeping on
I'm not taking a picture.
You can sleep in the corner.
You're on what? You're on video.
I don't like video. I'll be so excited. What? Not in here.
Holy.
No more farts. Oh, I criped that damn chili made me gassed. We had one little kobasa, small little round kobasa. I had cauliflower mixed with green. I don't know what the hell it was. And I had a teaspoon of corn. Cream corn is all mushy. And what else? A little piece of meat. I don't know, kind of a roast beef, small little piece. And I had about this much of chili. Chili. And that was it. And then I had a few grapes for dessert. One little melon. And two little squares of cantaloupe and 4 grapes. That was my supper. Joey will go and grab